12 top women scientists who won the Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology, prepared by the editors of website nebolezny.ru. Gerty Teresa Cori is an American biochemist and a member of the United States National Academy of Sciences, received the Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology for her discovery of a catalytic conversion of glycogen. The most significant contribution of Gerty and Carl Cori was the study of a carbohydrate cycle, known as Cori cycle. Rosalind Sussman Yellow is an American biophysicist. Yellow did most of her research work with Solomon Berson, Nobel Prize in 1977 for the development of radioimmunological method for determination of peptide hormones. Barbara McClintock, an American cytogenic scientist who studied mainly the cytogenetics of maize, received the Nobel Prize in 1983 for the discovery of mobile genetic elements. Rita Levi Montalcini is an Italian neuroscientist, member of the United States Academy of Arts and Sciences, foreign member of the French Academy of Science and the Royal Society of London, Nobel Prize in 1983 for the discovery of a factor that regulates the growth of cells and organs. Gertrude Elion, American scientist, biochemist, and pharmacologist. She was the first who was neither a doctor nor the holder of a doctorate degree. Nobel Prize in 1988 for discovery of important principle of drug therapy. Christian Northland Volhan, German biologist, Nobel Prize in 1995 for discovery concerning genetic control in the early stage of embryonic development with Lewis and Ishhaus. She also gained fame as discoverer of a toll gene, which led to the discovery of toll-like receptors. Linda Buck is an American biologist. Using a method developed by Linda Buck's laboratory, the olfactory system has been shown to use a combinatorial odor coding scheme. Nobel Prize in 2004 for research on olfactory receptors and the organization of the olfactory system. Françoise Barré-Sinoussi is a French virologist, Nobel Prize in 2008 for the discovery of HIV with Luc Montagnier, member of the French Academy of Science, foreign member of the United States National Academy of Medicine, doctor, retired honorary fellow of the Pasteur Institute. Elizabeth Blackburn and Carol Greider are American scientists, Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology for the discovery of a mechanism of protection of chromosome by telomere and the telomerase enzyme with Jack Szostak. May-Britt Moser is a Norwegian scientist, Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology for the discovery of neurons that make up the positioning system in the brain. The collaborating spouses May-Britt and Edward Moser are pioneers in the study of the brain mechanism of representation of space. Together they become teachers at the Aferomentioned University. In 2002, created the Center of Biological Memory, and in 2007 the Kavli Institute. Tu Yu, Chinese pharmacologist, specialist in traditional Chinese medicine, Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology for discovery regarding new method of fighting malaria. In 1979 clinical trials were completed, which confirm the efficacy and safety of drug study in the TUIU laboratory. They have been introduced into clinical practice, which save about 2 million lives annually. Thank you for your attention. This material was prepared by the editors of website NetBiologist.ru. It is recommended when you consult a doctor before using any medication. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.